Talk about question 4. It said a uniform bar 15-meter long is balanced on a pivot placed at its midpoint. You understand? So a boy of mass 55 kg sits on one arm of the bar. A boy of mass 55 kg sits on one arm of the bar at a 0.5 meter away from the pivot. You understand? Away from the what? Pivot. Now say what mass can be placed 2 meters away from the other end of the bar to keep the bar horizontally. So as you can see, the uniform bar is what 15-meter long. Can you see now that it's not a uniform meter? If assuming it's a uniform meter rule, its length will be constant and it is 100 centimeter. But this one is a bar. Do you understand? So the length of the bar may be varies. You understand? It can be a plank, it can be a pako. You understand my point? So let's say the length of the bar is 15 meter. As you can see, 15 meter. Let's say it's balanced on a pivot placed at its midpoint. The pivot, this is the pivot here, placed at the midpoint. So we have this place to be 7.5. Why this place to be what 7.5? It has divided into half. Do you understand me? So a boy of mass 55 kg sits on one arm of the bar. He said what? A boy He said a boy of mass 55 kg sits on one arm of the bar at a 5 meter away from the pivot. As you can see, learn how to interpret question is very simple. So from the pivot, it's not from the end though, it is from the pivot. So it will be 5 meter away from the what? Pivot. You understand? So we have 55 kg. You understand? Assuming it is from the arm now, you start from here. You understand me? So on one arm of the bar at a 0.5 kilometer away from the pivot, what mass can be placed 2 meters away from the other end of the they said what mass can be placed 2 meters away from the other arm. Okay. They said what mass can be placed 2 meter what mass can be placed 2 meter away from the other end. This is the other end. Let's say this is first end A, this is second end A and B. So second, so it will go 2 meter away from the other end of the bar to keep the bar horizontally balanced. So we have this is what they are asking us to find now. So you can see this is the first end. We have divided it 7.5. The second end 7.5. Do you understand? So we have for us to get we have to although we are actually less concerned about this side, so it does not give us anything. So for us to get this side now, we have to for us to get the moment of this place and the moment of this, we have to get the distance for this place and distance for this place. So we have to, now that we have the distance for this place, we have to get the distance for this place. So for us to get it, we have 7.5 minus 2 is what 5.5. So you understand me? So we have 55 kg times 5 is equals to 5.5 meter. So you understand me? So we have 55 times mjar, not meter. 55 times 5 over 5.5. So you understand me? Is equals to m. So when you divide this one with this one, we have 10 times 5 is equals to m. So our answer is m is equals to 50 kg. So let's talk about question 5.